Hey everybody, and welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining arrow functions. Now, you may have come across, if you've been working in JavaScript recently, you may have come across something like this, something weird like that. And you may have wondered, what is that? Well, that is the new ECMAScript syntax for writing functions in JavaScript. So essentially, it's a shorter syntax for writing your functions. If you look over here, this is the old syntax for writing functions. You might have seen something like this where we declare a variable. I'm calling it here my function. And then we assign it to an anonymous function like this. And then inside we can have whatever code that we want. I'm just saying hello world to the console here. Now in ECMAScript 6, there's a new way of writing the same thing, which is by doing this. Of course, here we're using a different keyword for declaring the variable. We're using let instead of var. And I think maybe I'll do another video where I explain the difference between the two. But in terms of arrow functions, right, so arrow functions are a different or a shorter way of writing functions, right? So if you see here, we have the word function, and then we have these parentheses, and then we have these curly braces, and inside the curly braces we have the code that runs when this function is called, right? So with the arrow functions, what happens is we have, instead of writing the word function, all you have to do is type in this equal sign and this greater than operator, right? You can find that if you have the US keyboard, you'll find it next to the question mark button right next to your right shift, right? So that's all you have to do. So instead of writing function here, essentially what we're doing is we're deleting the word function like so, and we are going to the other side and putting an equal sign and a greater than sign. So this is precisely what we're doing. So it's just a shorter way of writing your anonymous function. So instead of writing the word function with 1, 2, let me see. So instead of writing the word function with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 characters, we are shortening that to 2 characters. If you liked this video, please click like. And if you'd like more videos where I explain programming concepts and teach you how to program using JavaScript, how to make mobile apps, all kinds of different things, you may subscribe to this video. And please click on the bell icon so that each time I upload a video, you get a notification. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you next time.